Hello, welcome back. In this video, we'll be doing some general conversation. Some nice things to say when you meet somebody. First one up top is Gui, Gui, hello, or hi. Something like general greeting, that's all. Gui, usually followed by this word, if you know them. Big wamuksen. Isn't that a nice word? Big wamuksen. Sort of means nice to see you again, or long time no see. He's so happy, look. So, big wamuksen. Here's a popular question in Mi'kmaq. Meidal Walain. Meidal Walain. How are you doing? See that? Meidal Walain. Meidal Walain. How are you doing? And the most common response, Walay, Gadugil. Walay, I'm fine. Gadugil, how about you? And normally people will say, oh, Walay. Oh, I'm fine. See that? Pretty cool, huh? And then down here we have Walamuksin. Walamuksin, which means you're looking good. All right, so after me, let's try them one more time. Ready? Gui. Hello. Good to see you again. Big Wamuksin. How you doing? Meidal Walain. I'm fine. How about you? Walay, Gadugil. Oh, I'm fine. Oh, Walay. You're looking good. Walamuksin. Walamuksin. I hope you enjoyed that. Everyone take care. Walalio. Thank you all.